All right, before you insert the cannula for the patient in room 12, just be aware, she's got a history of poor venous access. Last week, 3 attempts failed before they switched to ultrasound guidance.
Oh, that's good to know, Mihira. Should I try the forearm first?
Normally, yes, but in her case, I'd avoid the left forearm altogether. That arm's post-mastectomy, so lymphatic drainages compromised risk of lymphedema if we cannulate there.
Right, I remember now. What about her right hand?
That's where it gets tricky. She's got an old cannula site there, recently removed, and mild phlebitis noted. So, best avoid that area too.
So Mihira, we're left with the antecubital fossa on the right.
Ideally, yes. But try a warm compress first to dilate the vein. And if it still doesn't look promising, ask the registrar about a guided attempt. We don't want multiple failed insertions again. It stressed her out last time.
Understood. Thanks for the heads up. MIHIRA, it is completely natural to feel a bit worried when something unexpected happens, but staying calm is the most important first step you can take right now. If there is an object stuck in the nose, the very first thing to do is to focus on breathing steadily and deeply through the mouth rather than the nose. This helps prevent the object from moving further back. It is vital to avoid sniffing or inhaling sharply through the nose, as this suction can pull the item deeper into the nasal passage or toward the throat. While it might be tempting to try and get the object out quickly, please do not attempt to remove it yourself using fingers, tweezers, or any other tools. Trying to fish it out often accidentally pushes the object deeper, which makes it much harder for a professional to reach later. Similarly, you should avoid blowing the nose forcefully. High pressure can cause the object to shift into a dangerous position where it might be inhaled into the lungs, known as aspiration, or it could cause a nosebleed by irritating the delicate lining of the nasal cavity. MIHIRA, the safest and gentlest path forward is to keep the area still and protected while seeking help from a healthcare professional, who has the proper lighting and specialized instruments to remove it safely and comfortably.